Proboscis monkeys have been nicknamed the Dutchmen, and it's not just because of their large noses. They're also famous for their huge pot bellies. Their stomachs have evolved like fermentation tanks. Split into chambers and loaded with bacteria, they can digest even the most undesirable vegetation that would be poisonous to most other animals. A clever trick, as they can eat almost anything, and that's exactly what they do all day long. These successful monkeys live in large family groups, which definitely has its advantages. There's always someone there to help keep the bugs at bay. And the young have a choice of playmates on hand.